I gave you my heart.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Midnight Race Cartel MRC Garage. And in the last video, the CRX build, I think it was part 3, we took off the rear suspension, and today we're going to be sandblasting them, so let's get to it. Alright guys, as you can see, it's coming off quite easily. Still got the undercoating. I was actually thinking of doing the whole thing back in undercoating, but I think powder coating would look better. Not that you guys are going to see it, just it's going to, I don't know. I just think it'll pop with the rest of the suspension. When you look under the car, when it's driving down the road, you'll be able to see it a lot better. Just a bright color. Still have to press these out. Gonna go ahead and finish sandblasting everything else, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to a press and get that pressed out. I have a set of spherical bushings on the way that they press in, and then you drill a hole here, and then it's 2 bolts that essentially hold it in here, and then it'll do away with all the rubber and all this loosey-goosey. So we're going to continue on sandblasting this one and get back to you. Alright guys, now that we got that all done, here's the before and after. So as you can see, we still got the undercoating right here and right here, but not to worry, gonna go ahead and put aircraft stripper on that to take that off. Didn't want to waste too much blast media on that, and right now we're gonna go ahead and find a piece of cardboard, set it down, go ahead and spray it. Alright, so we got our aircraft stripper here. I thought I had a whole can of it. I don't know if it's still any good, but we're gonna see here. Spray that side. Alright, now we're going to let that soak in, and then come right back to it. Alright guys, just went for a little lunch break and got back to check on this, give this time to soak in here. I got a scraper, and I've already started, as you can see, just to see if it was ready or not. It seems good enough. You can see where it's all dry rotted and cracked, where it's eating it away. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a go, and hopefully this works. Guys, I managed to got tired of doing it on the floor there, so went ahead and put it on the table. Had a little boo-boo right here. This got stuck in there and went. That's besides the point. I'm liking the way it's coming out. As you can see, all of it's completely off, all the undercoating. The wire wheel really did put in some work here, as far as scraping it off with the razor blade there as well. I think that it should come out. Maybe the powder coating will adhere better to this part than to this part. I'm not too sure. Only time will tell when we see, but I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do about pressing this out. Pressing this bushings out, I just got an email from HTP Autosport, I think they are. Hooked us up with the spherical joints. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do to press that out. Maybe put it back in the sandblaster and get the gunk out of here. And the spherical bushings actually press right in, and then you'll drill a hole either in between here, or I hope not here, because that's where our back plate is welded at, I think. But we'll see where those 2 bolts go in. And yeah, so let's go ahead and press this out.